Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to ask the Siri to read this page. Using Siri we can easily read this page in this device, in any page. For this we need to open any page that you want to read. Then open the Siri and say, "Hey Siri, read this page." So simply here I am going to open this one. Then tap and hold on the power button to open the Siri. Hey Siri, read this page.
Jasmine.
You
This
can
article
see
is about the plant genus.
the Siri is
For
easily
the given
read
name,
this
see
page.
Jasmine given name. For other users, see Jasmine disambiguation. Jasmine, botanical name, Jasminum, Jasa.
You can say. So simply in this way, with the help of Siri, we can easily read and we can easily hear the notes in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.